What would you say if I told you that the cure for cancer is hidden inside of you? We are all familiar with the severity of this disease and what patients have to go through. Looking for alternatives, we set to figure out how our immune system, like security guards, fights cancer and why it fails sometimes. Our healthy cells routinely signal the immune cells, "Don't shoot, I belong here." They do this by manufacturing proteins that act like chemical flags. When cancer cells start dividing, they may produce different proteins or enemy flags. The immune system recognizes that the cancer is foreign and destroys it. But in some cases, the cancer cells manufacture proteins that help them hide from the immune cells, or even worse, recruit them as allies, now helping the tumor grow. Using our unique 3D bioprinted cancer models, we discovered that in deadly brain cancers, one of these proteins is P-selectin. In our lab, we developed smart drugs like P-selectin blockers that can re-educate the immune cells to recognize and kill the tumor, thus helping our body fight cancer.